There are a few things I want to change from the original design. I want to reduce the rocker, and I'm able to do that by modifying the flotation characteristics of the bow and stern. In my original bow and stern design, I fused the two separate surfaces together. Water may still leak through the joint. I have to use silicone to waterproof the joint. But in my second build, I fold and fused the bow and stern, and there's less chance that the water will leak through the joint. Besides, the second method is easier to implement. With a little bit of practice, the assembly of the kayak is quite easy and quick. In this revision 2 design, I add a cross-stiffening partition, and structurally this kayak is more robust. I bought a stadium seat for my kayak. It has good padding and it is quite comfortable. It is not too heavy and is about 1.5 pounds. Two months ago, when I tested the first prototype, the water temperature was at around 45 degrees Fahrenheit. Today it is at 60. And I feel more comfortable to rock the kayak more aggressively. The kayak is 26 inches wide and it feels very stable. Unfortunately, my friend's kayak flipped over, and it was not too difficult for me to right the kayak, and then I towed it back to the dock. This kayak seemed to be faster than the other kayaks I built in the past. Again, this is very subjective. It is very easy to control. Turning is quick also. I really enjoy paddling with this kayak. This is a short kayak, and it is about 9 feet 5 inches, but it seemed to be tracking pretty good. I can paddle a straight line as demonstrated here, without much effort. With the paper model, it seemed to be easy to pack up the kayak. In reality, it takes some effort and also practice, as demonstrated here by my friend, who tried to pack up the kayak. I have looked into modifying the folding of the kayak. This alternate folding method is something I wanted to try with this revision 2 design. Unfortunately, I made a mistake in cutting the coroplast and were not able to experiment with this new folding method. I will redo this kayak in the near future with this easier folding method. We applied what we have learned in revision 2 kayak and built 2 revision 3 kayaks and also a revision 4 kayak. The revision 4 kayak is a slightly wider kayak at 28.5 inches, and it should be able to handle a person weighted at 260 pounds. We will test all these kayaks next week. After that, I will upload the kayak plan to my website. So we start 9, 4 hours, and then the other day 3.5. Less than 8 hours, we are here. There's a request for a kayak that can handle 250 pounds. Therefore, I modified the Gen 25 kayak plan to the width of approximately 29 inches. And this kayak should be more stable. I have also implemented a cross partition to strengthen the kayak. The installation of this partition is simple and easy, as shown here. If you like my video, please give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for your support. Bye bye.